have seen a difference in quality. I'm now using a Canon G7X rather than my crusty, dusty iPhone. So I posted a poll about what you guys wanted to see next, and a lot of you guys picked the self-care option. And it makes sense because I've been getting a lot of comments about hyperpigmentation, dandruff, hair, etc, etc. So I want to show all of the self-care products which I think are a must-have. So I'm gonna break this into 3 parts: hair, skin, and diet. Obviously these are just what works for me. You guys obviously have free will to buy whatever you want and not buy whatever you don't want. So let's get started with hair. I think you guys have heard me talk about this a lot. I struggle with dandruff so much, and I've tried everything from glycolic acid to apple cider vinegar rinses, and nothing really works except Nizoral. Also, I will be linking everything down below. So how I use Nizoral is I wash my hair twice a week, but right after each other. So one day I'm going to wash my hair, I double shampoo, because the first day after I wash my hair with this, it just loosens up the dandruff, but it doesn't actually get it out of my head. It just lays up there, so it actually looks worse than it began with. But then the second day I double shampoo again, and it completely gets it out, and it keeps me good for 5 days. Like, look, there is almost nothing. It's amazing. Moving on, I think you guys also have heard me talk about hair loss and how I've been struggling with that lately. I realized that since incorporating rosemary oil into my hair routine, my hair has just gotten so much healthier, so much fuller in a very short amount of time. So the way I use this is actually when I'm shampooing, I just put a few drops into my shampoo and massage it into my hair. And that's it. And it's made such a difference. Lastly, for hair, I usually don't like to recommend like certain types of hair products because I'm always switching my hair products up. But I have to say the Redken leave-in conditioner is amazing. And the reason why I think it's so good is because they don't market towards curly hair or straight hair or any type of like specific hair type, but it works so well. Like, I'm having it in right now. It's the only product I have on right after the shower, and it works amazing. So moving on to skin, this is probably the biggest section of the 3. I'm gonna start off by saying Panoxyl is one of the best body washes I have ever used because it has significantly reduced my ingrown hairs on my armpits, all over my body, and I noticed a decrease in hyperpigmentation as well. So I highly, highly, highly recommend it. Another thing that has also helped me a lot with ingrown hairs are scrubs. This one is from Kapara Beauty and it has AHA in it, and it's really good for hyperpigmentation and ingrown hairs. This one is just a lot more coarse, but it still does the job. And you don't need to use like this specific sugar scrub. You can use any, they're all the same anyways. I get a lot of comments about my armpits. These are my armpits. One product that has helped me so much with decreasing not only hyperpigmentation but also ingrown hairs is this aluminum-free natural deodorant from Kapara Beauty, and it smells like coconut. It's so good. Lastly, if you like to get your nails done but you just don't have the money for it, I highly suggest this little LED gel cure thing. I got it in like a little $10 set from Target, and they last for a long time. It's better, in my opinion, than paying at a nail salon to do the same thing. The last section is diet, but of course you don't need to follow them. These are just what I do. All right, this isn't diet, but it goes in your mouth, so I put it in this section. The TheraBreath mouthwash. I don't think I have bad breath, but I've noticed my mouth just feels a lot cleaner for longer periods of time while using this. Another thing I think is really important is taking probiotics. I have a really bad gut. I'm always bloated and I just need to go, and probiotics really helps me. Specifically because I'm lactose intolerant and yogurt has a lot of probiotics, but I shouldn't be eating it because it hurts my stomach. Anyways, another thing that really helps me with bloating is peppermint tea. I always drink this after I feel just like gross after a meal, or I just need like a little refresh. This gets rid of all the bloat. So good. And for people that are obviously lactose intolerant, calcium gummies are a very important thing. You need calcium so you don't get that what is it, osteoporosis thing where your bones crumble and your teeth fall out. I don't know. So yeah, those are the products. I use, you know, most of them daily except the shampoo and the oil. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also hope you guys really like this quality because I am so excited to just be spewing out weekly videos with this amazing quality. I'm so happy I invested in this.
You see money all around me.